Welcome my channel CC Equations. Myself Subhendra Kumar Dani, lecturer in methodist. Today I will discuss about the topic derivative of composite function or chain rules. Okay. First of all, chain rule. What is chain rule? And what is the derivative of composite function? First of all, what is composite function? Composite function, that means suppose three friends are there. Three friends are there. First of all, friend number 1, friend number 2, friend number 3. Suppose friend number 1 and friend number 2, friend number 3. First friend now in Bhubaneswar. Second friend now in Mumbai. Third friend now in Chennai. Okay. If this function, this friend is related to friend number 2, this friend related to friend number 3, but this friend directly not related to friend number 3. So, but we have to, in this chapter, I will discuss friend 1 related to friend 3. In this way, this is a composite function. Okay? In this simply, suppose if y is a function of f of u and u is a function of g of x. If y is a function of f of u and u is a function of f of g of x, then in derivative y is a function of f of u. That means dy by du or f times u. Again, u is a function of g of x, du by dx equals to g dx. Therefore, we have to find dy by dx. Y is a function of x with respect to x. So here dy by du in multiplication of du by dx or f tax u multiplication of g tax x. This is called chain rule or derivative of a composite function. First of all, क्या पहले देखो, टू फंक्शन, y is a function of u, u is a function of ux. अब वो क्या करना है, y is related to x in this way, in the derivative form. Y is a function of u. We know that y is a function of u. That means derivative of y with respect to u. Derivative of u is a function of x. That means derivative of u with respect to x. Okay. This is the two variable form. Okay. So now some examples how to solve by the using chain rule in derivative. Okay. First, suppose your question is, if y is a function of x square plus of 1 of power 5, then find dy by, डायरेक्टली भी इसको डेरिवेटिव कर सकते हैं पावर फॉर्म यूज करके, लेकिन चेन रूल यूज करने से आपका डेरिवेटिव बहुत इजी आसान हो जाएगा, इसलिए चेन रूल यूज किया जाता है. सो इसका आंसर बाय यूजिंग चेन रूल कैसे करते हैं, ठीक है. सो गिवन, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इफ इज द गिवन फैक्टर. सो गिवन फैक्टर इज given is y is equal to x square plus of 1 to power 5. Okay. So here चेन रूल कैसे यूज करते हैं? आपका ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो है वो एक फंक्शन होगा और एक फंक्शन होगा। सपोज u इक्वल्स टू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 इन दिस वे। आपका ब्रैकेट का अंदर जो भी होगा उसको लीजिए u ये फंक्शन। नाउ y गिवन u टू पावर 5 बाय द चेन रूल्स। ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको क्या फाइंड करना है? dy बाई dx फाइंड करना है और डेरिवेटिव ऑफ y विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू x फाइंड करना है। सो फर्स्टली इन बाय यूजिंग चेन रूल, u is a function of x, so du by dx, this value equals to here x square plus of 1. X square is a variable function, 1 is a constant. We know that x to power 2, that means power form. So firstly in the power 2, then x to power 2 minus of 1, that means x plus 0, because derivative of a constant function is 0. So your value is here now 2x. Alright. Again, y is a function of u. So derivative of dy by du here, dy by du. Now u to power 5, again power rules. 5 is a constant factor. In the first common u to power 5 minus of 1, again derivative of du by, sorry, so 5 u to power 4, 5 of u to power 4. Now actually find out dy by dx by using chain rules. Therefore we know that dy by dx equals to dy by du in the multiplication of du by dx. Alright, now we find the value. Firstly dy by du, that means 5u to power 4 multiplication of 2x, du by dx का वैल्यू है 2x. ओके, नाउ गिवन डाटा जो लिया गया था u is a function of x square plus of 1. Now put this value here, 5 u to power 4. So u is a value x square plus of 1 power 4 multiplication 2x, that means 10 of x square plus of 1 to power 4. This is your result by using chain rules. Okay. Another example we have discussed. So another question is, if y is equal to sine of root x of root over, then find dy by dx by using chain rule, or derivative of a composite function. Okay, here is the root over and root over functions. Alright, now यह चेन रोल यूज करने से इस फंक्शन का रिजल्ट आसान हो जाएगा, इसलिए चेन रोल यूज किया जाता है। तो गिवन डाटा क्या है आपका यहाँ y, here given is y equals to sine of root x again root over. यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है, ये जो रूट ओवर है, रूट ओवर को ऐसे लिखा जाएगा साइन ऑफ रूट एक्स और पावर हाफ ब्रैकेट के लिए। तो पहला वाला क्वेश्चन जो था, मैंने क्या बोला था, आपका ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो है उसको एक फंक्शन लीजिए और टोटल फंक्शन हो जाएगा, ठीक है। सो हियर लेट u is equal to suppose root x. So now y sine of u to power half or sine u of root over. We know that u is a function of x here, y is a function of u here. By your chain rules, now derivative of u, du by dx. Here value is 1 by 2 of root x. Okay, 1 by 2 of root x. Here now y is a function of u, so dy by du. This value equals to 1 by 2 of sine of u. Again derivative of sine u. So your value is cos of u to root over sine of u. This is the result of dy by du. This is the result of dy by dx. Therefore, dy by, we have to find dy by dx. Your value is dy by du multiplication of du by dx equals to the value है cos u by 2 cos sine u in the root over, in the multiplication value is 1 by 2 root x. Okay, all right. Now this equals to, now put the value of u here now, sine root x by 2 and 2 multiply of value 4, value is 4, sine of root x multiply of root x. This is your result by using chain rules. Okay, thank you.